How to set any song as alarm on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set any song as alarm on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the things that you will need beforehand is the GarageBand app. You can download this from your app store and then an audio on your Files app. So after you have both of those, all you now need to do is open up the GarageBand. So open up your GarageBand and now you'll need to start a new project. Tap on the plus icon on the top right, and after you do that, you will need to choose the audio recorder. After you find the audio recorder, tap on it to open it. After you open it, make sure that you turn off the metronome by tapping on it and then tap on this brick icon, and now you'll be on the timeline. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to import the song. To import the song, tap on this loop icon on the top right, and after you do that, you'll need to head over to Files. Now from here, you can browse items from the Files app and bring it right here. After you bring it here, what you'll need to do is long press on it, and then you'll need to bring it on the timeline. After you bring it, what you can do is you can trim this song. So you can just trim it like this, or you can long press on it, and then you should get an option to trim it. Now, after you do that, after you have the one tune that you want and the length that you desire, all you now need to do is tap on this drag down icon on the top right, top left, head over to My Songs, and now this is saved. Now all you need to do is long press on this. Now you can rename this. Let's rename this as our new ringtone and then save it. Now what we can do is we can long press on this again. Now you'll see the share option. Tap on share, and here you will get 3 different options. Now simply select ringtone. Tap on ringtone, and now just tap on export. Now this is exported as ringtone. Tap on OK. Now you can head back. Now set this as an alarm, simply head over to your icon, that is your clock app, and then head over to alarm. Select an alarm and you should see the sound option. Head over there and you will see the new ringtone. Simply pick that new ringtone and you're basically good to go. And that is how you set any new song as your alarm sound. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.